Hi guys, so today I'm going to use pore strips. I don't know after how long, so I'm going to tell you how you're going to use this because it's not that good for your skin, but you can use it once in a while, like once in a 6 months maybe. So this is how it is. So सबसे पहले आपको चाहिए गर्म पानी, because ये एक्चुअल में आपका ठंडे पानी से स्टिक नहीं करेगा, because I've tried it and it doesn't really work. So we will wet that area, peel this off. Meanwhile, pore strips can lead to like a breakout or something like that. So I would personally not repurchase it. I would rather go for salicylic acid or different gentle treatments. Okay, so here we are. तो ये वाला part मैं actually नीचे लूँगी, पर नीचे आएगा nose के, ताकि this part is covered. Okay, I will re-wet again because it's I think going. Peel it off. 10 minutes. I'm finally gonna rip it off, and it is painful. But I bought it, so I have to finish that off. Ow, it is painful. Also pulls your nose hairs, like those baby hairs, anything that is on your surface. Painful. It's a close up, but of course it looks clean, it feels nice, but after a week or so it's still gonna come out. So it is satisfying. It is like once in a while I have to try this thing, and I have to try this thing, that how it is, how it feels and something like that. But knowing the effects, but the side effects that it has on your skin, I'm completely no. So yeah, that is it for the video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please like and subscribe and follow for more. Bye, yeah.